Hi YouTubers and Hornby fans, Retro Gamer Tom here, and today we have Dart. It's a nice model. It's in the newer packaging that was released a few years ago. This is the front of the box. Thomas and Friends, Hornby locomotive. There's CGI Thomas. The side of the box, Hornby locomotive. The back of the box, just telling you what you can get on it. Thomas, various rolling stock, Percy, Gordon and James. On the side is the barcode and the number. It's number R9683. And on the side here we have all the warning, various joking hazards and stuff like that. So let's get this unboxed. Pop this down here. Take this out of the box and let's have a look. This is inside it. Still got the wrapper on it for the protector, and the instructions: locomotive, operation, maintenance, 19 volts, and inside here we have the clips. I believe go on the chassis or front. And let's take the model out. If it comes out, it's a bit hard to get out compared to the other models. Yeah, let's have a look at this. See, this is Dart. It's got the, I don't know if you can see it, but let's try and zoom in a bit. And it's, no, I don't want to show. It's got the Vickerstown Diesel Works on it. The front and the side, the back. It's really nice paintwork on this. Red and yellow, really looks nice. And on the front. Now, there we go. See if we can zoom in. There we go. And Dart is a small diesel shunter who assists Dan in the running of the Sodor Diesel Works. He was, I believe, first introduced in season 18, episode 8. Dent and Dart, I think. I could be wrong. Dart is a 4W diesel hydraulic shunter built by W.G. Bagnall. I've got most of this information off YouTube, but yeah, it's a really nice little shunter. It runs beautifully. I'm going to probably upload some running videos at some point, but it's underneath of the engine. I've got some more videos up, so if you wanna click on them, have a look. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. I'm also on Twitter now, retro_gamer_Tom, and the link be below. I'm going to put in it. So thanks for watching.